Hey YouTube, this is Quentin. I'm back with a quick unboxing of the new Apple Watch Series 4. So this is a regular aluminum watch. Let's peel it off. And I have the stainless steel of Series 2 and the aluminum uh, Series 1, the original one. So I'm probably going to end up selling the original one, which I probably need to because the battery is not really that great on it. But this is the aluminum. See, okay, I may do the stainless steel later. I don't know. It's kind of expensive. Okay. Very nice packaging as usual from Apple. Has a nice little pictures of different watch bands and types of watches. This is kind of the same type of a case that came in the original Series 1. It was I believe the band and the case was separate, just like this. So take that off, and it has like a little separate section for just the watch itself. And I have the silver one, which really looks nice. And it's the 44 millimeter version. And this is just some instructions. And you have the charging brick and the actual wireless charging pad. And this is the actual band. Okay, I'm taking the band out. And this case is a little long, so it's kind of weird, a little harder to do it behind the camera, but I'm getting it. And this is all the instructions how to remove and install the band, which is really nice. One thing I like about the Apple Watch is the band. The bands on it are really easy to change in and out. Probably better than any other watch I've ever had or ever used. So all you basically have to do is just slide it in like so. And then I think I accidentally touched it. It's probably on now, coming on. And this is a nice little felt cover for it too. See, okay, it just slides off. And I have it, okay, I have it okay. Actually, I need to swap it around. So, you kind of just press on it right here and it slides out if I can do it. Yeah. Like I said, it's not easy doing it behind the camera, but it's really easy. Actually, it is easy because I'm doing it behind the camera pretty easy. So, if that makes sense. Okay, so here it is. This is and this really looks nice, man. I like this. I like the rounded corners. And it's about the same size, but it's just, you have more screen. And so I'm going to compare it to my Series 2. My Series 2 watch, I got the really expensive stainless steel one. And yeah, it's a little more rounder. You definitely have more screen real estate. And I believe the back is ceramic, someone was saying. And the back, the back is a little different also. And I believe I can take this band and put it on here too. Which is nice. Don't know if I will. I might. So I'm back. I don't know. I guess I made a mistake. I thought I could just set up the watch. I may have pushed the wrong thing. So it's still restoring from iCloud. It never did go to setting up the watch. I may have not been paying attention filming behind the camera, and maybe I pressed the wrong selection. But anyway, just to go over the watch, it looks real nice. I actually like this white a lot. I didn't think I would like it, but I like it. It's the 44 millimeter. I'll try it on just to, see how it is. And right off, I do like it. This wasn't really my first selection because I usually get the darker color ones. The space gray, I believe what it's called, or gold. I didn't really want the gold, but this is actually really nice. I have the blue band, so I think I'm gonna like that. But it's not big on, I got big hands, so it's not really big on my wrist. But I really like it so far. I mean, for the looks of it, I have to see how the operating system is. The latest watch OS is, I've heard, really good. I haven't been using my Apple Watches in a while, so both of my other two really probably need to be updated. But I'm gonna try it out since I can't really set it up right now. But I'll try it out and then do a review on it. Quick review. Anyway, thank you for watching the unboxing. Have a nice day.